Hey there, welcome to Oils with Lynn. I'm Lynn. I love uplifting families with daily natural solutions for your mind, heart, and body. Today we're talking about something we all use every single day. It's toothpaste. I want to talk specifically why it might be time to ditch the fluoride and commercial whiten toothpaste and switch to something safer and more effective for your whole family. Now, here's the thing. Teeth are not made of fluoride. So if you have a cavity, it's not because you have a fluoride deficiency. There wasn't fluoride to begin with. So let's break down how cavities actually happen. Minerals are on the outside of the tooth. They dissolve when acid touches them, and it creates a tiny hole. And then bacteria crawl inside that hole and create an even bigger acid, more acid. And that acid dissolves more minerals, and the hole gets deeper, and the tooth becomes infected. So the solution isn't adding fluoride, it's replacing the minerals that were lost. The minerals your teeth are actually made of is called hydroxyapatite, and that's the star ingredient in doTERRA's natural whitening and remineralizing toothpaste. It's designed to put back those minerals into your teeth, strengthening and protecting them all naturally. And here's what makes it even better. It helps strengthen and rebuild the enamel on your teeth. It contains natural whitening agents to gently reduce stains and whiten teeth without causing sensitivity. It's made with 100% safe, healthy ingredients. So if your kids swallow them, there's no poison control hotline needed. There's just some peace of mind. No harsh chemicals, no artificial whiteners, just powerful natural support for your overall oral health. doTERRA has two toothpaste options, On Guard and the new SuperMint natural whitening and remineralizing toothpaste. Both are powered by essential oils that do so much more than just freshen your breath. The oils in these blends are known for being highly effective at fighting off strong strains of bacteria in the mouth. And they even help combat viruses. This is a huge bonus to your oral and immune health. With natural whitening agents and safe fluoride-free ingredients, both On Guard and SuperMint toothpaste are not only protect your smile, but they also give your body extra support right where you need it most. I love knowing that I'm giving my family something that works, both to protect and to brighten their smiles without compromising our health. And it's why this toothpaste is a staple in our home. If you're ready to give your teeth and your body something to thank you for, you can grab your own tube of doTERRA's natural whitening and remineralizing toothpaste in the description below. I'm sure you're ready for a healthier, brighter smile. Talk to you next time.